Hello my planner pals and welcome back, and if you're new here then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di. I am here at Creative Karma Design. Today I'm going to share with you how I am going to merge these two sticker books. Now these are very similar and you'll have other books like this that are very similar in colour theme, in scheme. What's coming to mind is the Woodland Seasons and stuff like that. Like they're a similar vibe. This is the Princess Magic, this is Once Upon a Time. So in here, there's two sheets of each of the princesses. So my plan is, I'm going to use this cover. I'm going to take this one apart. I'm going to cut the cover off. I want to keep the cover. The rest of it, I don't care about. And I've got these. These are rings. These are actually from Dollar Tree. Again, they're just little ring binder things, but you could also do the same with a ribbon, elastic band, just something that holds things together. You could even use this. You could even use the elastic from this to put through the loop. But when I've been using this, because I've got two sheets of Brave, I've got a sheet of quotes, I've got Sleeping Beauty. These are on, that kind of bothers me that these are on different pages. I may have to separate these. So we've got Jasmine is on her own. Sleeping Beauty there is on her own. Yeah, I've got two sheets of Sleeping Beauty, two of Cinderella, two of Aurora, two of Ariel, two of Beauty and the Beast, two of Tiana. Got more Jasmine there. I'm going to put those on the Jasmine pile. We've got Pocahontas, and then Mulan, and Rapunzel. Yes. So I've got them in piles all over my desk right now. You can't see it, but trust me, they're all in piles all over my desk. And then this one, I've got Sleeping Beauty, but I've got 5 pages. So they all get taken apart and they get put with Sleeping Beauty. And then I'm going to turn those over because that, I believe, is it for that. Got Cinderella. 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets of Cinderella, and for that, what I'm going to do is actually use that's the beginning. Cinderella, Tiana is there, so Tiana will go next. Then we've got Ariel, and then we have Aurora. And we got 4 sheets of Aurora, and Aurora goes there. We've got a sheet of quotes, another sheet of quotes. I've got what I call the little sidekicks. The sidekicks are going to have their own section, and then all the girls together. And then quotes. So let's have the quotes all together. Yes. These will go at the front. Then we will have the princesses. And then I'm just going to put these in no particular order after. Okay. These are the ones that bother me because they've got different foil on as well, which is really annoying. Oh my god, how did I not notice that? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get stickers, page sheets from like the clear stickers. If I had a sheet of clear stickers, I tend to put them on their own sheet. And what I'm going to do, because these two are already broken, you know what I mean, I'm going to cut that off, and then I can just put a hole back in there, because I only need, oh, I need 3, I need 4. I need 4. Who was on their own? Snow White we had, right? We had Snow White. Because again, these are on clear. And the gems go with her and the apples go with her. Okay, and then Snow White can go with the Snow White. Can go with the Snow White. And then Aurora can go with the Aurora. That can go there. I know I have Tiana. So let's take Tiana off there. She can go on there. She needs the frog. And she needs the book and the little firefly. And then Tiana can have those. And that can go in there. And then all you have to do is try and find the thing that you buried underneath a pile of sticker books and put them all on the ring. Somewhere in here we have Beauty and the Beast. There. And then I'm going to get another sheet and separate these. I just don't like them all together, because when I'm planning, I like to have all of the same ones all together. I hope that makes sense. And the leaves are different. Okay, so she has the multicolored leaves. She's got just the fall. Okay, because, you know, paint with all the colors of the wind. That's my terrible impression of. There we go. That can go there. Then, where do we have a Pocahontas? We have Pocahontas somewhere. I know we do. Rapunzel. Let's do Rapunzel. Here we go. Again, I'm going to take everything that is Rapunzel and put it on this extra sheet. This is why I save the blank pages off this, off my sticker sheets, because it makes sense for me to do that. That is Rapunzel. Rapunzel, Rapunzel. And then we've got that. Where are the other Pocahontas? What did I do with them? They're underneath the other stickers. Can't even. Mulan with Mulan. And then that. And then these can go on the back. And then I just need one more so I can separate these into its individual little things. Sleeping Beauty, there we go. She can go there. That's Cinderella. Cinderella goes there. Ariel goes there. That's all of them. Now, in an order that makes sense for me. This is not going to fit on there anymore, so I'm going to cut that. And then we will have the back. Oh, I need to put the front on. A front and a front. And that took me 10 minutes to reorganize those two sticker books together. Now, again, you don't have to do this, but for me now, when I'm coming in to look at these and I'm like, okay, I want to plan with Beauty and the Beast. All I have to do is look through here, and now I know that all my Beauty and the Beast are 1, 2, and 3 pages there. Like, it makes more sense that they're all together and in an order. So, and again, I do this with individual sticker books. I take them apart and realign, question mark, realign them so that it makes sense for my brain. So yeah, These are very handy. You can typically fit about 2.5 to 3 books on these. And again, I think these are 1 inch, oh, the 1.25 inches. But yeah, the 1 inch would probably just fit 2, but these might fit 3. I do this quite a lot with other sticker books and stuff like that. I've created one that is just black and foil quotes and sayings and stuff. I've got one that is like 3 teacher and student books together, just in a way that makes sense for my brain because they're all the same stickers from the same years. So yes, don't be afraid to take apart your sticker books and put them back in a way that makes sense for your brain. Again, if you can't find these or you don't like them, you can just use the little elastic from the second piece, just thread it through the loop, tie it off into a little knot, and you're good. And you're good. This keeps it together. This keeps it together. So yes. All right, I hope you enjoyed this, and it just showed you that you do have permission to take your sticker books apart and put them in a way that makes sense for you. I know that not everybody is going to want to do that, but this for me makes sense. I don't think I want to do it with all my sticker books, but yeah, if you have stuff like this that is the same theme in all different books, take the suckers apart. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye.